In this video I will show you how to crochet herringbone single crochet in rows. So start with a chain and then start in the second loop, skip the first one and go down in the second loop crocheting one single crochet. Go down, pick up the yarn, pull through, pick up the yarn, pull through. That is a single crochet. So now this row is the first row of this pattern and it is a 2-row repeat. So I will show you 2 rows and then you will repeat these rows and you will get the pattern of a herringbone single crochet in rows. So what you will do is you go under this line. So the line that belongs to the stitch that you just made. So the last line here and then into the next stitch. Pick up the yarn, pull through. 3 loops, pick up the yarn, pull through all of them. And continue like this until you're at the end. So you see here kind of 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. So you go down in the last one and the next stitch. Pick up the yarn, pull through, pick up the yarn, pull through. In the last and in the next stitch. Continue until you're at the end of this row. When you're at the end of the row, chain 1 and turn. So that was the first row of this 2-row repeat. This next row will be a bit tricky. So the first row is kind of simple, but the second is more tricky. So basically you will do exactly the same as you did on the first row, but you will do it from the back side. So start with a single crochet in the second stitch from behind. So keep your yarn kind of on the front side. You go into the second stitch here. You grab the yarn and pull it to the back side. Pick up the yarn again and pull through. So it's a single crochet, but we did it from the back side. And now we will do the same. You see, there is 2 lines from our stitch that we just made. So what we will do is we will go under this one and into the next stitch. So this is the front side, but we will work on the back side. So under this and inside the next stitch. You come to the front side and you pick up the yarn and pull it to the back side. 3 loops, pick up the yarn and pull through. Again, in the last line, in the next stitch from the back side, pick up the yarn from the front side, bring to the back side, pick up the yarn, pull through. Continue until you're at the end. So now we're at the end and this is our back side and this is our front side. So what we will do is we chain 1 and we turn and we're at the front side and we will start with the row number 1 again. So 1 single crochet in the second stitch. And then do as we did before, so under the line into the stitch. Pick up the yarn, pull through, pick up the yarn, pull through. So 2-row repeat as I mentioned, so just alternate these 2 rows and it will create the pattern of herringbone single crochet in rows.